Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned, my friends. Alrighty guys, this boho hanging chair, it is $50. The weight capacity is 300 pounds. Alrighty, the indoor-outdoor area rugs. Well, they are almost gone, guys. They're $40 and they are a 5x7. Backpack chairs are $35. 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner, $170. Premium Cool Touch bed pillows, they are $9. Metal wind chimes, they are $10. So this one says hummingbird design, whimsical addition to any indoor-outdoor space. Okay, so they have the butterfly and a few different more designs. Alrighty, so here we have the weather vane for $12.99. It says easy installation with two-stake design, and it's also rust resistant. So we have that one and this one. Nice. Solar hanging bugs for $5. Cute, cute. Oops. They also have it in blue. Color changing LED orbs. You get a set of 2, or you get 1 large one for $15. So it says try me. Oh, okay. Well, alrighty. Outdoor concrete candles, they are $10. So this is the candle here, and they also have the oil lamp for $10. And this one is round. Gnome stakes or pot hangers, $5. So this is the gnome pot hanger and the gnome pot sticks. Cute. Snorkel set, $10. They have it in small and large. I only see it in blue and that green. This 30x60 beach towel is $6. So they have these different patterns and here. Alrighty, so the trunk organizer with the cooler, they are $12.99. It comes in solid black, pattern, and gray. Portable type inflator, $15. So it says inflation power, $9.15. LED light, digital display, and 3 adapters. Cat seat protection cover, $12. Gel seat cushion, this one is so you can use it for home, the office, the car, and the stadium. Deluxe memory foam, non-slip bottom, used with any seat, portable design, and machine washable cover. The fig leaves are $9. Outdoor pickleballs, you get a set of 6 for $10. The pickleball paddle, it is $20. 4th of July party pack, $10. Portable Bluetooth speaker is $25. And it comes in green, blue, and black. So the speaker has the USB-C port. It is waterproof. It has the Bluetooth wireless, hours of playtime, and crystal clear, powerful sound. Portable and lightweight. Regulating comforter in a size full queen, it is $30. Alrighty friends, this electric travel cooler, it's $50. Mini dehumidifier for $10. This right here. These 5-inch rechargeable fans are $7 in white and black. These duffel bags are $20 in pink, black, and blue. These clear crossbody bags are $5 in white, green, and black. Snap and go pots or puzzle containers are $5. So this one is the snap and go. Pop a container of snacks into your bag and take it on the go. Detachable and stackable. You get a 4-piece. Reusable ice packs, they are $3. Okay, so you get a three-piece set on this one. Ooh, they're heavy. And this is a 4-piece set here. Kids preferred baby plush, they are $10. You have it in all of these different characters. Medium collapsible pet pool for $13. Nice. 20-ounce stainless steel tumblers, they are $7. 20-ounce stainless steel tumblers, these are $7. This foldable mat with a backrest, it is $10. Garden figurines, they are $7. And the frog, porcupine, and the angel. How cute. Okay. And these beautiful metal yard arch stakes are $10. Collapsible and extendable sink strainer, $10 in the color gray. Bamboo serving tray set, a set of 3, $10. Okay. Large round cooling mat, they are $13. Floating dog toy, they are $5. Oh, how cute. Watermelon. These are too cute. Tabletop smokeless fire pits, $30 in the color black, silver, green, and red. So let's see here. Stainless steel construction, smokeless technology, powder coated base, and no tools required. Outdoor camping blankets, they're $13. Self-inflated sleep mat, $15. They also have the hooded sleeping bags for $20 in gray and blue. 9-in-1 collapsible cookware set, $13. Huh. Oh, that's neat. Collapsible tub with drain or bucket for $10. Everything is collapsible now, guys. Oh my goodness. So that's one, and this is the tub. Hammock with stand for $50. This 2-person pop-up tent is $30. How nice is this? Weight capacity is, the weight of this is 5 pounds. Beach bed lounge, flip pillow lounge, and designer fashion lounge, $7. Volleyball, football, and the flyer, $10 each. 3-ring pool, $7. Right there. Or sunshade for $5. Sex zapper racket for $5. It also comes with the battery. Wooden lawn dice for $13. Bluey mini plush, $4. Big time kickball, $10. Water pillar, they are $15. Nice. 8-pound chicken breasts are $16.99. Here is a very large Grill Master collection. How much is it? It is huge, right there. If I find the price, guys, I'll put it up on the screen. Okay, these chicken patties are $10. Franks and puff pastries. Let's see. I don't see the price for those. Smash burgers, 100% beef burgers, all natural and gluten-free. $8. Loaded tater barrels with cheddar cheese, uncured bacon bites, and jalapenos. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Cheesecake for $13. Ben & Jerry's cookie dough chunks, they are $4.59. Looks yummy. The Cool Whip is $1.79. Strawberry and vanilla swirl cones, $4.49. These Aldi bags. Ah, these are really cute. They're $8. And these bags, Alex lemonade stand, 69 cents. Well, all right, friends, it is time for me to do my walk back to show you guys what my picks are for this week. And starting with the Alex lemonade stand for $50. Such a great cause. The boho hanging chair for $50. Oh yeah, that is really nice. Pretty good finds this week. I love the garden figurines for $7 and the metal yard art stakes for $10. Tire inflator, $15. It's a yes for me. This mini dehumidifier for $10. The 5-inch rechargeable fan for $8. I like those big bags, the duffel bags, for $20. This cooler is $50. It is the electric travel cooler for $50, yes. And I think this is a great deal on this portable air conditioner. Yes. Well, all right, friends, those are my picks for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.